no, I don't have any plans.
Sinarado mo na ba?
Girls and guys, so sarado ng pintuan. But kidding aside, since I would like to assume this is not your first pageant, nakita na kita somewhere. And sige, since yan ang sagot mo, gusto mo ng diretsahang tanungan, di ba, Sir Alan? So, how do you manage indecent proposal? Kasi given the fact, in general, pageant contestants receive one. Even actors, aspiring actors and talents receive one. For sure, you have somehow, somewhere before you receive one. How do you manage it?
Well, for me, hindi ko naman sila ginabastos. Especially, I will talk to them honestly and nicely na I'm not into that person and hindi ko ginagawa yun. Hindi ko kaya gawin yun para sa sarili ko and I want to prove myself na I'm a good man.
Sige. Mukhang may violent reaction kasi sa likod ko. I-elaborate ko lang for a follow-up question. Since sa current issue right now, two of our mga actors is complaining for their handlers or whatever harassment that they experience. Para kasi sa amin, from from a showbiz company, minsan kasi kayo naman in general, not necessarily you. Minsan yung actor o yung talent naman yung nag-offer ng sarili. Di ba patas din naman? It has to be an equal footing na dapat magsabi din ng totoo ang mga ino-offeran dahil sila din mismo ang nag-o-offer. What do you think about it? Para lang mahintay sa mga nakikinig natin kasi it's a very relevant topic right now, and having said that, kailangan namin i-distinguish yung Miss Grand Philippines given those circumstances.
Well, nasa tao pa rin naman po yan kung paano nila i-handle, kung paano sila makipagtungo sa taong yun para hindi siya maisipan na gusto rin or willing yung guy na for that.
Ayoko naman i-put in the spot ka, but tatandaan namin yan, ha? Thank you very much.
And what's the most expensive offer? You don't want. Hindi, wala lang. Para biglang naging media pala ako dito.
I think sa mga message request na nakikita ko sa social media accounts ko is they asking for 50. 50. I think yun yung nakita ko lang. Message request.
Ayan, Day. 50,000, Day.
Speaking of social media, how is your social media and what kind of things do you like to post or promote sa accounts mo?
Right now, I started my social media na inaayos ko siya for charity events. That's what I do right now, and helping other stories, and that's it. Mga promotion endorsements.
Okay. Any other questions?
Followers do you have?
In Facebook, I have 17. In IG is 17,000. I mean, in IG is 38,000, and TikTok is 50,000.
Are we good? Okay. Thank you so much, contestant.